back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
So BHR qualifying has finally come underway. Logan Walls at number 14 going to make his way to the bottom side of the speedway. Gets that car all wound up and green flag is out. We got a total of 30 American All-Star Series drivers. Bailey Lowe in that 727 machine will get that car fired up as well, as Logan Walls will start the thing off here tonight. First lap there for Logan Walls, a blistering 13.945. I believe we get a little more out of Logan Walls. Here we go with the 727 of Bailey Lowe. Lowe will hit the boards. He'll get a 13.990, good enough for second quick. After that, it's going to go to the 14 of Logan Walls, a little bit better with a 13.945. 13.945 for Logan Walls. Bailey Lowe's second lap will be stay at a 13.990. Zach Size, who is the defending winner here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. As he'll be coming out on the speedway, you got Chris Chandler in that number 8 C machine also behind him. Can Zach Size, he was the quickest hot lap here of them all, so we'll see if he can get Tyler Arrington time at a 13.795. Tyler Arrington, still your quick time at the 13.795. Zach Size going to try to beat it. He's got the outside roaring in the top of the turn 3 and 4. Give it up. Will he get it done? Quick time! 13.678 for Zach Size. Chris Chandler going to go 5th quick with a 14.023. 14.023. Zach Size on the outside. Checkered flag. Even better with a 13.678. As Chris Chandler will go 5th quick with a 14.023. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a round of applause for your new quick time of Zach Size with a 13.687. So Bailey Cardwell will be coming out on the speedway, and then you'll have the number 17W of Mark Wainwright. So far, Zach Size at the top of the boards with that 13.678. Bailey Cardwell in the 07 will take the green flag. Right there behind him will be the 17 of Mark Wainwright. As Cardwell is going to work down on the backstretch right through the middle of 3 and 4. He's looking for a 13.6 or better. Will he get it at this time? And he will go 6th quick with a 14.118. The 17 of Mark Wainwright with a 14.970. Bailey's looking good through the middle of 3 and 4. Checkered flag, will he do any better? He will stay at a 6th quick with a 14.118. And Mark Wainwright will go with an 11th quick with a 14.970. So is Skylar Marlar is going to be getting that car all throttled up in that number 257 machine. He had disaster at Willard Speedway after involving a lap down car. We'll see if he can do a better time the last time I've seen him. As Ross White in that number 0 machine is getting it up on the outside. A little problem for Marlar off the top of 3 and 4. Well, it's going to hurt him a little bit. As Skylar Marlar goes 7th quick with a 14.129. Ross White will go 6th quick with a 14.035. Marlar going to try one more time to do better, and Skylar Marlar will go 4th quick with a 14.948. Ross White right there behind him with a 13.949. So once again, North versus South getting all messed up again. Thank you, Mr. Puckett, as we're ready to go for more BHR qualifying. And here comes the best plumber, number 21 of John Ellison. He will take the green flag, but the question is, can he get into that board there with a 13.678 here at Lake Cumberland Speedway? Joshua Chesney in the Chesney Logistics CVR race car number 5. He'll make his way through turns 1 and 2. First lap here for John Ellison in that number 21J. Ooh, that's going to be a 14.563. 14.563 for John Ellison. Joshua Chesney going to be in that 10th spot with a 14.159. Got to find some speed here. We'll see if Mr. Ellison's going to be able to get it done. He'll stay with a 14th quick with a 14.563. Chesney, 10th quick so far, and stays 10th quick with a 14.146. As qualifying as Chad Doxey's going to be in that number 3 machine. He's going to get the throttled up down to the backstretch, it looks like, here for qualifying. As that'll be the 11, Daniel Dial going to be joining us, and Doxey's going to get the green flag in that number 3D machine. Daniel Dial in the 11 will also get the green flag as Doxey's going to work to the outside of this racetrack, back to the inside in 3 and 4. White flag for Chad Doxey, and we'll see where he's going to land. He'll land with a 15.365, that's 16th quick, and Daniel Dial will go with a 14.316, good enough for 13th quick. As Doxey's second lap will be any better, Noah 15.327 as stands, and Daniel Dial will go with a 14.316 for 13th quick. As Luke Chalning, we are trying to confirm if he is an iRacing driver or not. If so, somebody please tell me, as he's going to go ahead and get the green flag. Joseph Rush knows it's at his trailer. We know that. But anyway, you got Chris Wilson going to be also on the Speedway in that number 4X machine. As Chowning's going to make it that white flag, we'll see where he's going to land on the board. He will go with a 16 quick with a 14.425. 14.425 for Chowning. Chris Wilson, 16 quick with a 14.382. So far, nobody really getting that close to that quick time, set by Mr. Size. As Luke Chowning will go 17 quick with a 14.425. And Chris Wilson will stay with a 16 quick with a 14.364. Cumberland Plateau Modifieds, we are ready for you in staging. Cumberland Plateau Modifieds, we are ready for you in staging. And that means I got to give the microphone back to Bobby. Alrighty, as we got more qualifying, as Colin Watson's going to be coming down the field in the middle of 3 and 4, and then back to the outside to be the 38 of Kenny Hall. Oh, the 55 machine of Colin Watson, pretty sideways in that late model in turns 1 and 2, and so is the 38 machine of Kenny Hall. As the 55 of Colin Watson will get the white flag. Ooh, 23rd quick with a 14.851. And Kenny Hall will go out there with a 15.225 in that number 38. As Colin Watson will go 22nd quick with a 14.491. As the 38 of Kenny Hall will go any better. Yes, he does with a 15.039. So we have Jeff Watson in that number 11 machine. I hear he's a big track champion here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway.
Multi-time track champion, over 200 feature wins.
Thank you very much. You know more than I do, as we're ready to go. As Jeff Watson going to make his way to the bottom side, and I love it when Bobby's here. Green flag for the 11W of Jeff Watson. As Jeff Watson going to make his way down to the backstretch in the middle of 3 and 4. We'll see what he's going to get here. He's got it to the outside. He's got a long way to go. White flag is in the air, and he will go 18 quick.